Welcome back, and here we have slim noodles. Sounds different, right? So these noodles, they help you lose weight, and they just have like 9 calories per 100 gram serving, which is like a dream. And they're with 0 carbs. They're keto friendly, organic, gluten free, fat free, sugar free. So you just need to serve it with your favorite sauce. Ready in 2 minutes. But then again, it depends on you how much time you're gonna take. And this is something that I've heard for the first time because konjac flour sounds new to me. So it's made from organic konjac flour and organic oat fiber. Okay, and then here these are the recommendations. So now about the root that we were talking about, so it's a root konjac, and this is the website. You can go there and check on more on it. So it is an ancient plant grown in Asia. The secret is in the root of the plant, and konjac flour is used to make low calorie slim noodles. What you have to do is once we take the noodle out of the pack, just rinse it 2 to 3 times under cold water, and then add it to your pan, and then add whatever you like to. And says that it's like Asia's secret weight loss marvel. So the Southeast Asian konjac plant has been grown and used in Japan, and they're kind of really health conscious people. And then it talks about healthy weight loss. So slim noodle is keto friendly, low in calorie, and contains 0 carbs. Amazing, right? So this is how you can achieve, if you like to do this. It's completely up to you. If you're happy with the regular ones, then it's up to everyone, right? So this was something new, that's why I thought of trying. And yeah, so that's all about it. And now I'm gonna just show you like how it looks like after cooking here. So you can see that what we did to this. So this is the final look of the noodles after cooking them. Okay, so this is what we wanted to share. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.